Well guys, it's August 27th. This will be my last ride number 90. And I just drove down to Plummer, Idaho. Got myself parked over there. And this is Warriors and Veterans of the Coeur d'Alene Memorial Park, which is the very western end of the Trail of the Coeur d'Alenes. Probably Trail of the Coeur d'Alenes, read that over there. So, I'm gonna jump on the trail and just have a nice ride. I don't have any specific plans of how far I'll go. It's kind of windy, but other than that, it's really nice out. It's probably about like 70 degrees right now. So here I go. It starts off pretty nice. It's nice through here. It's also downhill and a little bit of a tailwind. I went past a sign back there. I think it said 3% grade for 5 miles. It's really gonna suck going the other way, but for now, I'll enjoy it. Looks like there must have been a fire, like a crown fire through here. Downhill's nice. It's not steep downhill, but it's enough I can feel the boost. There we go. It's a deadhead ready to wreck a boat. Here's what this spot's called. You catch it? That's where I'm going. So that's Chatcolet Trailhead, which if you just kind of want the scenic version, I recommend you start there. And that's the bridge we're heading to. Gonna ride. You gotta spoil all the fun. No jumping from bridge. It is nice up here. You may have noticed by now, I'm not much of a photographer. Still cranking along. Got houses up there. Must be getting close to Harrison. Welcome to Harrison. I think this is where I'm going to turn around. Oh, what the heck, let's go a little further. Well, I'm getting close to where I think I might turn around. It feels so good out right now. Whatever the temperature and the barometric pressure and the humidity and the dew point, whatever it is right at this moment is what I wish it always was. It just feels great. And the air, it's gonna sound funny, but the air tastes good. It's just, everything is nice right now. And it's not just the endorphins. Well guys, I decided I'm gonna turn around when I hit 20 miles. And by the time I get all the way back to my car, That'll be 40, which will be my longest ride to date. But also, man, the gnats are out like crazy. Also, I think this happens to be right where I turned around the last time I did Trail of the Coeur d'Alenes, but from the other direction. So, I don't remember exactly which day it was. Zoom in. River's nice. It looks so nice in person, and through the phone, it's not even close. But I think it was like day 25 or 29 or something. It's toward the end of the first 30 days. I rode on Trail of the Coeur d'Alenes from the what is it, Bull Run Lake trailhead, and I got to, I think, like right here, kind of between these rock walls, and turned around and went back. And that's about where I'm going to turn around today. So between these two videos, yeah, I know I was at this spot where the river turns like that. Probably the whole 50 miles of the river looks like that, but you don't forget a scene like this. Tell you what, I'll figure out which ride that was and put a link in this video's description so you can watch them back to back and see a good portion of the trail that way. It's 12:40. I started at 12:20 point something, so probably ought to at least go another half mile or so and then turn around. And that'll be a legitimate 20 out and 20 back. I'm really dreading that last 5 miles of uphill back to the car, but you know, that's okay. It is just so peaceful out here. Well, at some point, I just have to decide to turn around. It's about 10 minutes to 7, which means it'll probably be dark by the time I get back to my car already. But screw it, I'm going to go to that next corner. Well, I think the geese are telling me it's time to turn around. Oh yeah, and those ones are right there too. Where'd they go? Well, this is a beautiful place. And I've enjoyed this 90 days of bike riding. And thank you very much to the couple of you that have been watching all the videos. There's a couple times where I probably wouldn't have gone if I knew somebody out there, or if I didn't know, somebody out there was going to know. So that's as lame as this whole thing is, that's kind of been the little kick that has made me go when I didn't want to. Most of the time I wanted to, though. I've been feeling pretty good about myself with this whole thing, which is good. That's something that's been kind of missing. So, all right, turn around, head back home, or head back to the car and then drive back home. Well, that was cool. I just came cruising through here and a bunch of rocks started rolling down. I looked up and there's a freaking black bear running, you know, on all fours straight up the side there. Wish I had had the camera out right then. Alright guys, so today is day 90, the last day of my 90-day bike riding challenge. So I did weigh myself this morning. And final results are 268.2 pounds and 35% body fat. So in 90 days and riding a little over 1,200 miles, I managed to lose 22 pounds and 5 percentage points of body fat. And I feel pretty awesome about that. Now, of course, this isn't one of those, you know, so amazing I can't believe it weight loss stories where somebody loses 150 pounds in 3 days or something. But for, you know, a real guy with very little willpower to actually lose 20 pounds and not gain 20 pounds for once, I feel pretty good about that. I think I must be coming back into Harrison here pretty soon. I guess that'd be the Highway 97 bridge. Oh, back past Harrison Boat Launch. Trail's a lot longer going back. Kind of nice color of that sunset. Gotta say, North Idaho's not too bad. I've been hitting so many gnats, I'll probably have to count them on MyFitnessPal. There's my bridge way over there. Still got a ways to go to get there. Just took a gnat to the eyeball. It's a pretty cool bridge. I think it's time to lube my chain. It's all uphill from here. There's a Sasquatch up there. Where are you at? Oh. False alarm. Negative Squatch. You know, this has been a good time, but I'm really ready to be done. Well, I'm hoping all those lights over there is that memorial at the trailhead. It is not. I still have more to go. Well, close to the highway, it's got to mean something. Oh good, it's lit. Warriors and veterans. Which means my car is just right up there. Alright guys, 1,262. Means I've gone 1,247 in 90 days, and that is the official end. Thanks so much for watching. See you around.